Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to enable incoming call notifications in Gmail updated with the latest steps so you'll never miss an important call again. Whether you use Gmail for personal communication or business, keeping those notifications active ensures you stay connected in real time. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll control how different apps send notifications to you. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and find Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, from the list of apps, locate Gmail. Tap on it to open the Gmail app settings. Here you'll see various options for permissions, storage, and notifications. What we're looking for is notifications, so tap there. Now, to fine-tune how Gmail alerts you, select notification categories. This section lets you manage different types of notifications like emails, syncing alerts, and incoming calls. Under the Other category, you'll find an option labeled Incoming Calls. If this toggle is switched off, you won't get alerts for calls coming through Gmail or Google Chat. So make sure to toggle the switch on. You'll notice that once it's active, your phone will now send notifications whenever someone tries to call you through Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully enabled incoming call notifications in Gmail. From now on, whenever you receive a call, your phone will alert you right away, just like it does for regular calls. If you want to double check that it's working, you can ask a friend to call you through Gmail or Google Chat. Once it rings through and you see the alert pop up, you'll know everything's set up perfectly. Staying connected is that simple. Now you can take calls directly from your Gmail account without missing a thing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow along for more quick and easy tech tips to keep your apps working exactly how you want them.